Happy holidays here from Asafo. My name is Elliot Diltz, and today we're going to be bringing you a little look at Jingle Bell Hill in El Cajon. It's a small little drive, but it's free and it's a lot of good Christmas lights that I know a lot of people are looking to find right now. As far if you would like to see something else, we did Del Mar, which you can take a look up here. I don't recommend going there. I mean, it was like $75 for my family of 5, so it wasn't even really worth it. They had so much space that they could have done things with, but it just, I don't recommend it. All the stuff that we'll be doing from here, probably till Christmas, are just going to be free things around San Diego. If there is some place you would like us to take a look at, just leave a message down, the comment down below, and we will be more than happy to take a look at it. Anyways, hope you all have a safe holiday and enjoy the rest of your day. What do you guys got? Pretty cool. You can buy these over here.